Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Doraemon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Draw a large curved line up like this. It should look similar to the top of a balloon. Now close it off at the bottom with a line across. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw two large ovals inside at the top. And then draw the pupil inside with another smaller oval. And then one more smaller oval inside. Now color in the pupil black like this. Do the same thing in the other eye. Let's draw the nose next. Draw a circle under the eyes in the middle. Next, from the side of the left eye, draw a curved line outwards and then down, following the same curve as the head shape. Do the same thing on the right side now. Let's draw the mouth next. Draw a large U shape inside here. Now from the nose, draw a line down to the center of the mouth. Next, add 3 whiskers on both cheeks like this. Let's draw the collar next, starting with the bell. Draw a large circle under the center of the head. Now inside, draw a small circle. And then a line down. Then add 2 curved lines inside above. Next, from either side of the head, draw a small curved line down. Then lines inwards for the bottom of the collar. Now let's draw the circle on his belly like this. Then inside, draw a line across. Now a U shape under it for a semicircle shape. Let's draw the sides of the body next. Draw curved lines on either side, with the left side starting lower. Now from the bottom of the left line, draw a curve into the middle. And then add a small curve upwards. And then close off the other leg with a curve across the bottom. Let's draw the arms next. From the bottom left of the collar, draw a line down and out and back into the body. Next, on the top right here, draw a circle for the hand. And then lines down for the top and bottom of the arm. Now let's draw the feet. From the bottom of the left leg, draw curved lines down like this. Then connect them across at the bottom. Draw the other foot in the same way. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Draw a short line out on the left here, and then a small circle at the end. And that's it for Doraemon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.